you want to see how I carved this ring from wax, that video is already on the channel and there will be a link at the end of the video. This one's part 2. It's not a tutorial, it's just a fun video on the finishing process. Check it out, this is the Octopus ring and we got it cast the other day and it looks pretty good so far. Now I'll start cleaning it up, so I'll show you guys how I do that. Let's get this sorted. The first thing I'm going to do is I'll take the sprue off the top, which is right there, then I'll start filing the inside.
I've been on my own for long enough, maybe you can show me how to love, maybe I'm going through a drought. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. I look around, see the city's cold and empty. No one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone.
Great way to clean up these suckers is chucking it in the tumblers for maybe an hour or two. Drop it in, stick it in the machine, and we'll let it do its thing. Having it in the tumblers for a good hour or two, it really softens up the suckers, because after drilling them it does put a little edge around it and it just gives it a little bit more of a uniform shape. Instead of trying to get in there and clean up around them, just let the tumblers do all the work. Now I'm just going to add the silver stamp in, then we'll head to the polishing room and we'll polish it, and then we'll add the patina and then polish it again, and it's done.
So I hit the road in overdrive, baby. Oh, the city's cold and empty. No one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone. And I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch.
So I've done the patina, done the polish. Now I'm just going to emery in the inside and then I'll polish that, and then it's in the ultrasonic and it's all done. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and it would be awesome if you guys could share or like this video. You could also leave a comment on what you think we should be carving next, and also subscribe to the channel and check out this video right up here.
Blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I